Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize SmartThings EV charging automations for compatible chargers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your SmartThings app is installed and updated to the latest version. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Log into your SmartThings account if prompted. Navigate to the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Add Device from the menu. Scroll down and find the EV Chargers category. Choose your compatible EV charger from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your EV charger to your SmartThings account. After connecting, return to the Devices tab. Locate and select your newly added EV charger. Once inside the device's control panel, look for the Automation section. Tap Add Automation to create a new automation. Select a trigger for your automation, like time of day or energy rate. Next, choose the action you want the SmartThings app to perform with your EV charger. Customize the action settings according to your preferences. After setting up the trigger and action, review your automation settings to ensure they are correct. Tap Save to finalize your automation. Your EV charging automation is now authorized and active. You can manage or edit this automation anytime by returning to the Automation section. For troubleshooting, ensure your SmartThings app and charger firmware are up to date. If automations are not functioning as expected, check your Wi-Fi connection and device permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.